Today, we're going to be replacing the brake lights in this F-350. And instead of putting another set of halogen bulbs in, we're going to try switching over to LEDs. LASFIT actually sent me a set to test out today, so let's see how they compare. We'll start over here on the driver's side. There's just 4 screws holding the taillight housing in. Once those are out, the housing can be pulled straight back. Behind it you'll find 2 bulb sockets. One is for the brake light and the other one is for the reverse light. To release them, just twist the socket to the left and pull them out. The top one is for the brake light. There's just one retaining clip holding it in place. Once that's out, the new LED can be slid in. These are also non-polarity, so it doesn't matter which way you install them. Before putting everything back together, I wanted to test it first to make sure it actually worked. Looks good. I got just about everything I could out of this old bulb. A few more hours and I think it would have burned out. Now, besides being brighter, these LEDs are also rated for 30,000 hours of use, which is a lot longer than a normal light bulb. Alright, let's do a quick comparison. The driver's side has the new LED installed, while the passenger side is still using the factory halogen bulb. Even during the day, you can clearly see the difference. It's lighting up the entire taillight housing instead of just the center. But honestly, the biggest difference is in the dark. That's when you could really see how much brighter these LEDs are. And one thing that I noticed while editing is that these LEDs seem to light up a whole lot quicker. By the time the stock bulb is halfway lit, the LED is already at full brightness, which I thought was pretty impressive. After swapping the passenger side out as well, we're going to flip back and forth to see the difference. Whether it's daytime or the middle of the night, being more visible to whoever's behind you is never a bad thing. Now, before wrapping this up, there was one concern that I had about switching to LEDs, which is Hyperflash. It happens when the truck thinks the bulb has burned out and it makes the turn signals flash really fast. However, these LEDs use a halogen-like power design, which makes Hyperflash very unlikely. But I still went through and checked all of the functions, and everything was working properly. So that's how to replace the brake lights on one of these OBS Fords. If you're interested in these LEDs, I'll have the LASFIT link and discount code in the description below. Thanks again to LASFIT for sponsoring today's video.